Jamaican jerk chicken is a staple of the Caribbean, and for some good reason. The combination of smoky, spicy, and sweet flavors is literally mouth-watering. From the street of Kingston to the backyard barbecues around the world, jerk chicken is a dish that brings people together. And today, I am excited to share my recipe with you. I think one of the biggest misconceptions about making Jamaican jerk chicken at home is that it is super complicated, that you need some secret ingredients or some special equipment to get it just right. But trust me, that's just not the case. With a few simple ingredients and some basic kitchen tools, you can create jerk chicken that's just as good, if not better, than what you find at a Jamaican restaurant. The key is to understand the balance of the flavors and being patient enough to let those flavors meld together. Another misconception is that jerk chicken is just about throwing some allspice and thyme and some chicken and call it a day. But jerk season is so much more than that. It's a complex blend of spices, herbs that comes together to create this rich, deep flavor profile. And then there is the marinade, which is where the magic really happens. You see, a good jerk marinade is all about layering those flavors, building on each other to create this incredible depth of flavor. So, what's the biggest challenge when it comes to making Jamaican jerk chicken at home? In my opinion, it is achieving that perfect balance of flavors. You want the heat from the scotch bonnet peppers, the smokiness from the allspice, and the tang from the lime juice that all come together in harmony. Now, let us talk about the ingredients you all need for this recipe. For the jerk marinade, we have got a mix of scotch bonnet peppers, allspice, thyme, garlic, ginger, lime juice, and olive oil. Yes, it is a lot of ingredients, but trust me, each one plays a crucial role in creating that authentic flavor. Finally, it is time to cook the chicken, and this is where things get really exciting. You can either grill the chicken or bake it in the oven. Just make sure that you're cooking it at a high heat to get that nice char on the outside, while keeping the inside juicy and tender. Seeing that you're doing your jerk chicken in the oven, you want to ensure that you grease your pan before you put your chicken inside the pan so that it does not stick to the bottom. Then you're going to use a file paper to cover it and place it in the oven for it to cook. Okay, the moment of truth. It's time to take this beautiful jerk chicken out of the oven and just look at that. The colors, the aroma, it is just so incredible, and the flavor, absolutely on point. So delicious. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment below.